Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Christine's Creations. So I decided to do a really high speed video on how I mix my pouring medium for a Dutch pour. So I have used Gluol, floetrol, and GAC 800 and water. Okay, so you can see I'm mixing it up really in high speed there. Pretty much equal parts, maybe a little less than with the GAC 800. And then just, add water. So there's the pouring medium when you get started. And then you take the tube paint. I'm using all tube paint for this Dutch pour. And just open up I'm getting rid of a lot of like the end of the tube, so I wind up cutting a bunch in half and scooping out as much paint as I can in that turquoise color. And then it's a little too dark. I use the bigger cups for my background colors because I need more of that. That's what I'm mixing right now. And then I start adding more white to try to get that to a lighter color. I did kind of learn a quick lesson that instead of starting with your dark color and then lightening it, it's much easier to start with white and add your color and darken it. So yeah, if you want a light blue or a light color, start with white, add your pigments in until you get your desired. And because I wound up using way too much paint and wound up having way more than I needed. So that being said, I don't think I show everything, but then once you get to this point, it's all about adding water to get the thinness that you need. I didn't get it very thin like I'm gonna try for my next one, because hindsight is always 2020. I could have added more water, but the result came out so beautiful. It dried with no cracks, and it wound up being fine. And when it's a little bit of a thicker paint, when you're doing a Dutch pour, it gives it a different look. So it's not a bad thing to go thicker, unless you have problems with cracking. So anyway, I did 2 of these with this exact same formula, and it dried fantastic. And then you can see there's some other colors that I mixed up in the same way, just a smaller amount. So I hope you guys learn from this for the beginners. I know a lot of people don't show how to mix, so I wanted to throw this in there for you guys. Okay, and then cover it until you're ready to use it. All right, let's get on with the painting. Hi everyone, welcome to Christine's Creations. How you guys doing today? So today I'm going to be doing this 15 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I've already been playing around with my background colors. I pre-painted it. And so the background colors are this Blix Brilliant Yellow Green. And I made sure that my consistency was all the same throughout. And this is the other background color, which is Artist Loft Naples Yellow, but I lightened it a lot with white flow acrylic. I didn't just mix these with water today because I had so much, I have a ton of floetrol I never use, Gluol, and GAC 800. So I was just like, the heck with it. Instead of just using water, I'm going to use those. I used equal parts of those 3 things, and then I added water to consistency. So those are all the same throughout. And then the 4 colors that are going to go on top is Artist Loft's Metallic Cobalt Blue, Artist Loft's Brilliant Yellow, and to darken it, I put in the medium Amarillo, hard to pronounce, basically golden medium yellow. And this incredible Basics Quinacridone Magenta. This is just an awesome color. And this is Amsterdam's, turquoise green. Okay, so those are the colors. Yay!
So I'm going to blow it over and then I'm going to blow it out and try to make a pretty design out of this with my dryer on high, cool. That is very, very pretty. I love this color so far. I'm going to try to make some flow happen in this area as well. So let's get started with those same colors, same order. I love it. That is really cool. Very rainbowy. Beautiful. I love this. Love, love, love this. So very pretty. I'm glad I don't have to worry about my edges and that I pre-painted them. And I'm just checking them really quick because there's just a few drips, that's all. And this is quite beautiful. It's amazing how fast these Dutch pours go. All the prep is in the beginning. I mean, all the prep is in the mixing. Okay, so here she is on the drying table. There's a little glare from the light up here. But I love this. It really is beyond words. I love a lot of color. I love rainbow, and there's not a lot of cells, and I didn't want a lot of cells. Okay, here we go. I love this so much, and I have leftover paint. I'm considering doing another one. These are going to go to the restaurant where my husband manages, and they have a lot of multiple artists. Just look at that. Oh, there's a little spot right there. It's okay. Yeah, now I'm being overly picky. And then let's look at the little bit of fall over on the edge, but not much on this side. And then that little pretty fall over there. And then kind of some drippies. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it like that. It looks kind of cool. I'm going to think about that for a second. But anyway, there it is. And, you know, fingers crossed it dries right. It should. I put a ton of gack in it. The paint is a little thick. And I remembered when I did my last Dutch pour, and it came out beautiful, and the paint was just slightly on the thicker side. You see how it's just not, it's kind of, I don't know, not laying super flat all the way, but I don't think that's going to matter, and I like the way the paint flows with a little bit thicker paint. I mean, okay everyone, so here's a picture of it dry. It took about 2 days to dry, and it did not dry with cracks or anything like that. Everything went really well. I was in such a rush to get it over to the restaurant and hanging up that I totally forgot to do the it's dry video up close, but I did snap a quick picture of it. And as you can see, there's another canvas next to that, kind of hidden. And if you want to see that one, that's going to be in the video next after this one. And it had such a beautiful result. I just wanted to do another one, and I had a long canvas. So anyway, this 15 by 30 is hanging over the restaurant. It is for sale, and I will be in my Etsy shop by the time you guys see this video. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do. All right, bye now.